What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. Finally making another video. I haven't been posting too many videos lately, but the several videos that I have posted did pretty good. No. And I need to open this box today. This box is from March of 2023, 9 months ago, and I still haven't opened it, but I'm pretty sure this is the one that I need to open. I recorded some of the review of this shoe when I opened the grade school pair, because I think I got that in store, and the infant pair. Trent and Hesper have been wearing theirs, and we want to wear, I'm not sure who's going to wear them, but at least three of us are going to wear them to a, what's it called? Not a photo shoot, that's what it's called. I guess that's what it's called.
Yeah, photo shoot.
So I need to get these open, and then I'm going to open this really quick. I've reviewed the shoe already, but I want to open it and show it to you. Before we go any further, though, a word from our sponsor. Peyton, who's our sponsor? Jesus. This is Jeremiah 29, verse 11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. And a lot of times we just stop reading there, and we would read that and be like, I'm in a hopeless situation. Like, I don't have any hope. I thought you had plans for hope. Well, we didn't read the next part. This is verse 12. Then, in sometime in the future, is what Jeremiah is saying that God's talking about here. Then you will call on me and come and pray to me, and I will listen to you. You will seek me and find me when you seek me with all your heart. We need to go to him, we need to call on him, we need to seek him, and we need to pray to him. And then we'll have those, we'll be in those plans for the future that he has for us. If we're not part of those plans, if we're not actively participating in those plans, then, I mean, the hope without that, without him, can be dreary. This was something that was preached about today, this Sunday today at church, and there's what I would call somewhat of a hopeless situation that I might be in, but what are you doing? No. Maybe not hopeless, but just lacking hope, and it's because I'm not hoping in him. I'm hoping in myself and the world, and the world's broken, and it doesn't have any hope. And so it's just a perfect situation for me to stop thinking about what might be hopeless and think about all the hope that I have from him. Thank you, Jesus. All right, I want to get this out because this is a Christmas present. Hesper actually asked for this a long time ago, and I never got it for her. And then I kind of forgot that she wanted it. StockX sent me some deflated, okay, nice, thanks StockX. Deflated pillows. I need all my boxes because I'm selling a whole bunch of shoes. I just sold like 5 to StockX last week. I think I have another 15 I still need to sell. Wow. They cut me off at 5. Like, they wouldn't let me sell anymore until after those were done. I'd never had that happen before. She's been asking for these for a really long time. What?
She's gonna be so happy.
I know. I remember these smelling pretty bad when I got them, but these don't smell bad. This is the Biohack. I have Biohacks, and Trent has not real Biohacks, but the itsy bitsy crocheted Biohacks. He doesn't wear them anymore. He's worn them a couple times. But I've been waiting to find these somewhere so I could get them in person, and I could never find them. This would be a shoe that at one point was probably faked decently. So there's always, I guess, a little bit of risk getting them from StockX because, you know, we've heard about StockX. These have a really stiff bottom. Colors look good. It doesn't smell too bad.
Are you wearing this to the photo shoot tomorrow?
These? No.
Okay, that's what I thought.
This is the photo shoot shoe. I mean, she might want to wear these, but I don't remember mine. Mine were used. I got them from memory lane, so they may not have had. They didn't have laces, I don't think. But I do have a pair of laces that look something like that.
Oh, you're not waiting until Christmas?
Huh?
You're not waiting until Christmas?
For what?
Her shoes.
Oh, I am waiting till Christmas. She's not wearing these tomorrow.
That's what I was like, what?
So we get these put away. I just know she's asked me about these a couple of times over the last few years.
I know she's been telling me to tell you.
Really?
And she was like, if he asks, I want these.
Okay, well that's what she wants. She also wanted some Adifoams. I don't like those.
What are those?
They're in like an Adidas rubber type. It's almost like, I don't have them. They're not easy to get to. It's almost like a foam runner, but it's more like a shoe. Version of a foam. But I've had mine for several years, and she wanted them, and I never got them for her. And it's really just because partially because I forgot. But like I said, I was waiting to get them in person, as opposed to getting them from StockX. Normally, most shoes I don't really care about getting. I'm not opposed to getting on StockX, except for the ones that at least at some time were really, really hyped. hope this is the right box. I don't know how it couldn't be the right. It is. All right. I have not seen these in person myself yet. What?
Why is the box so like rubbed?
It is ReImagined.
It's supposed to be like that?
Yes.
Okay.
Like, which ones? These look like they're old and crackly. Mm-hmm. This is the Jordan 1 Chicago ReImagined. This is the Jordan 3 White Cement ReImagined. Mm-hmm. So it's made to look like it's old, kind of like this one. So I haven't seen the men's version in hand before. I don't think ever, except maybe in plastic at Memory Lane. But of course Hesper has hers, and I've seen those plenty of times. But I haven't really seen these up close. So
sticker?
Oh, okay. It just felt a little weird, I guess, because it's supposed to be looking like it's old too. But this has some of the tech. There's a visible heel air sole unit. There is an encapsulated 4-foot air sole unit. There's a foot frame midsole and an outsole. The foot frame midsole, which is the biggest piece of the sole, other than the outsole, is polyurethane. So we like to see the polyurethane.
Looks like instructions.
Yeah. So you know Trent has his.
Yeah.
They're in the car. I should have gotten them so I could have them in the video too. But this is the ReImagined version of the White Cement. The White Cement is, of course, arguably one of the best Jordan 3s, or most popular Jordan 3s. We also get the polyurethane insole. That's also really good. Right now, I think that 3s are my favorite Jordan to wear. I generally wear those a lot. Yes. There's a camera you're holding. I wear those a lot. These are kind of like my beater 3s because they're dark in color. I don't really beat them, but if I'm going somewhere where it's going to be possibly dirty, like, so it's December now when I'm recording this. These have been sitting here in this box since March. But in October,
I'm surprised you didn't get them out to match.
Haley and I was going to, I just didn't know where they were. And these match good enough. I mean, they don't match, but they're 3s and they're not that far off. But I love these, so that's part of the reason why. So I've just been wearing these. When Hesper and Trent wear theirs with their White Cements, I wear these. But now I will start wearing these, and I'm going to wear these tomorrow for the photo shoot. Definitely take this off, especially for a photo shoot. I don't need to be dripping like that. But the leather on these is decent, and I kind of like doing these videos. So far, later, it's 9 months ago that these dropped. It's just a little reminder of what these were like for everybody else who either missed them or thought about and didn't get them, whatever. Now these are going for, they're not cheap online on StockX, but they're not like terrible, I don't think. And selling them, I don't think I would get much more back than what I paid for them. But you're gonna have to pay like 75, 80 bucks more than what I paid for them to get them. So 3's got the air unit, all of this, which is the aged part. That's all polyurethane as well, which makes this a pretty comfortable shoe. Like I said, the 3 is pretty much my favorite Jordan to wear. So I'm gonna get rid of my fire reds. I haven't worn those at all, and I'll have my blacks and desert elephants, my Tinkers, and these. And I think that's pretty good for me. I think that's a pretty good collection of 3s. The leather, upper leather on the Tinkers is nicer than this. I like it more. This might break in and feel a little bit better at some point, but it's not bad. Just not quite as good as the Tinkers, but definitely good. So I like this shoe. It's a little more white than I generally wear. I mean, they are White Cements, right? Do you like these?
I do like them.
Okay. So, but again, I think to triplet it with the family, with Hesper and Trent, I got to do it. And coming soon is going to be my guide, or all you need to know about Baby J's. Yeah, because I've got so many Baby J's. 1, 2, 3. There's 4, 5, 6, 7 in the other room. 8 right there. At least 8 pairs of Baby Jordans. So, and now I'm a year in, not a year, 15 months in to Baby Trent, and know a whole lot more that I wish I would have known a year and a half ago about buying him shoes.
Maybe just buy them a little bit bigger when you go.
No.
Okay. Great.
But something like that. You'll see. I'm going to make the whole video all you need to know about Baby J's, which will include the White Cement of his as well. So let me know what you think about these. I'm actually going to cut this video right now to the video of me unboxing Hesper and Trent's. I don't know how long it is. I don't even know. I don't remember what I talked about in it because it was such a long time ago. But I'll cut it here. You can see that video, see what I thought about them initially. And if my plans had changed at all, you'll just be able to see in the video. I'm not even going to watch it before I finish recording now. But thanks for being here. Thanks for watching this video. Tell your grandma about the ReImagined Jordan 3 white cement. Smash the like button. Comment below what you think about these. And I'll see y'all next time. YouTube, I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man, back with another video today. I got a small box here. I was trying to decide what to do, and I'm like, I don't even know what this is. There's only one shoe that I can even think that this would possibly be. It's got to be one of Trent's. And if it's that one, then I'm just going to cut the video. We're not actually going to publish this one, and I'll make it with the rest of the shoes because I've got the whole family set in here, and they've been here for almost a year, and I haven't even touched them. But first, a word from our sponsor, because it's not my sponsor, it's not the channel sponsor, it's our sponsor. Peyton, who's our sponsor? Jesus. Matthew, chapter 27, verse 46. Jesus was hanging from the cross. He's about to die. He's being crucified for his sins, his transgressions against working on Sundays and everything else that the people back then didn't like and that he was doing. And he looks up to God and he says, my God, why have you forsaken me? God was actually turning his back on Jesus at that moment. Hebrews chapter 13, verse 5 says that I will never leave, God says, that I'll never leave you or forsake you. You might be thinking, well, he forsook Jesus. Why wouldn't he forsake me? It's because he forsook Jesus. He forsook Jesus because Jesus had the weight of all of our sins on his shoulders at that time. And the only thing that I need to do so that God will never leave me or forsake me is to accept that Jesus took all those sins on for me. Thank you, Jesus, for taking those sins on for me. All right, let's take a look at this. This may be a quick video. I might be done recording in just a moment. If this is... It is. No. It's not. Yes, it is.
Trinity Pie, we have a shoe for you.
Cut.
Okay.
All right, we're back. I have not seen these for myself. I can see, I'll look at this and see when these shoes were made when I opened this one. I got this one out and I realized what it was. I don't know which box mine are in. They're in here somewhere. I'm pretty sure that I got them shipped to me. This one came from Hibbett, from City Gear, and I got them locally, so they were already out of the box. They had no shipping box, but I don't think I have another one that's not in the shipping box. So we're just gonna look at these two right now, and I'm pretty sure that the men's pair looks pretty much the same, just a little bit bigger. So let's take a look. We got these for the whole family. This is the Jordan 3 white cement. What do you think? Peyton said that they look a lot like these.
Yeah.
Right? Those are
just
Tinkers. They're red back here, and the elephant print is very dark, and then this piece is gray. Yeah, very dark elephant print. This piece is gray. And they have a swoosh on them.
Oh, yeah.
These don't have a swoosh. And I think really that's why I like those so much, because I like threes, but they're a little bit plain. You put the swoosh on it and it's like, boom. Like, that's it.
Doesn't Mama have those in her closet?
No. She has threes, but just like those threes.
Oh.
They're not these threes. All right, so I like these. The material on this kid's pair, the grade school pair, is decent. It's not my favorite. It's just what's the name of the insole? Not polyurethane, not dream cell.
That's
whatever the crap is, but it says Nike Air on it. It's red and it says Nike Air on it.
Memory foam?
Nope. No. Bottom's pretty cool. I like the outsoles on Jordan 3s. I like wearing Jordan 3s. Jordan 3s are comfortable. Oh, look at that. There's no air in the baby version. This is a size 4. We found out the other day that Trent really can't wear Jordan 1 highs in a size 2, even though it's probably the size. The shoe is just impossible to get on correctly. It's just impossible. And again, I said this in a past video. I'm going to say it in this one too because I still haven't done it. I'm going to make a fail video, basically, like an I messed up video on his shoes. And you'll hear more about that in that video. But it's really soft. Even though it's not a crib booty, it's still pretty soft. So, but I don't like it. Look at the way it's like, yeah, I don't like that. Unfortunately, I don't believe that these go for anything above retail, especially the babies. I would assume most likely that. What?
I feel like I just
Especially the kids version, the grade school. I don't think these go above retail at all. I'll lose a couple dollars if I sell this one. I think that the men's pair probably I'd be able to get my money back for. But this is a little weird. Like it's really thin right here.
Yeah.
Not the best quality on this one. Do you think your mom will like this?
I think she'll like it because I feel like she's got a lot of white shirts.
She's got the Cardinal for 3s that don't say Nike Air, and they've got red on them in a couple of more spots. More red on the outside, not just on the inside. I had those, but I didn't keep those because they weren't that big of a deal to me. But it just smells like glue. I do need to get my pair. I need to find my pair because whether or not I keep my pair will probably change whether or not we keep these. We got to figure this out quickly because that shoe that I just flipped across the room.
You're gonna need your free flick back because I don't think I got it.
But he's gonna outgrow that one pretty soon. If you can hear him. Of course, Peyton can hear him. Hopefully, you can hear him in the background. He's yelling downstairs, playing. But he will outgrow even that 4C pretty soon too. So I've been thinking about 3s. I think I've got another pair of 3s in here somewhere, but I can't think off the top of my head for the life of me what they are. But these 3s are okay. I've unds these already. These are the desert elephants, and I like those. They're comfortable. Not my favorite, but they're definitely comfortable. But the Tinker 3s, they're so much better than this. I like the color. I mean, this is a white cement. It's mostly a white shoe. I like the dark elephant print and the swoosh and the red back tab on those infinitely better than these. Those are just way better. So I don't really. Oh, and I have the fire red 3s, which I've already opened those. They're over here somewhere. I think they had this a Jordan 4. I don't know where they're at.
Wait, what are you looking for? Wait.
That's them right there. Yeah, the fire red 3s. I don't think I need either of those because I think that the Tinkers are a cross between white cements, fire reds, but just with some better stuff. What are you putting that?
Oh, sorry.
So I think chances are we're not going to keep these. So these have been sitting around here for, how long did I say? I didn't say, did I? Where's the sticker? Oh, duh. These were made July to October 2022. So they were made a year ago. Between July and October of last year. So they were made a year ago. I don't remember when they came out, when they actually released, but it was probably like January, February, March. So 7 months ago that these have been sitting here and I haven't touched them. But we'll see what your mom thinks. If she really likes these, she can have them, and that will probably influence whether or not I keep mine. He is saying, da, 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 da. So I think I probably need to wrap this up and get down there and see what he wants. The Tinkers still have it for me. And again, I do need to find mine in these 20 boxes of unopened shoes, figure out which one's mine, and see what I think about the material and on that one, and whether or not I want to keep it. Which would probably be a no, but we'll see. So smash that like button if you enjoyed this video on the Jordan 3 white cement. If you like the Jordan 3 white cement, tell your grandma about the Jordan 3 white cement. Comment down below what you think, and I will see y'all later.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Shoes.
Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.